Hi, Sean. This is Quinn. I was on the phone with you the other day regarding a video that I wanted to send you of 4 solutions on how you can beat your competitors and scale your company's website with SEO. So by sharing these 4 solutions, it's often resulted in some of these local business owners raising their hands after they watch these videos and saying, hey, you know what? I've watched this. I loved it. I want you to do it. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I can help your business, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you decide to take what you've learned today and do it yourself, that's all right with me too. So we're going to go ahead and dive into what I want to talk to you about. And the first thing is your content for your website. So I went ahead and grabbed all of that and plugged it into word counter. So you have 405 words for your homepage. So starting off, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. I took your competitor's website content and plugged it into word counter as well. They have 74, so this right here is very beatable. The second solution to optimizing your company's site are your keywords that your content contains. So if you're wanting more clients, look into using more keywords and inputting those keywords into your content so it makes sense. Keywords, for example, are what a person would plug into Google search bar. So with that being said, I'd like to explain a resource that I use in order to see what my client and their competitors have and for keywords, and that's Avery's. Avery's is a resource that I spend $99 a month on in order to see rankings as well as keywords and backlinks. So for your company site, you have 283. The volume here is your clients that are plugging into Google search bar. Tree service near me, 900. So 900 potential clients plugged this into Google and clicked on your website, and this is how many there was. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead over to your competitor's site, plug into Avery's bluestonetree.com, right? And they've got a total of 1,061 keywords. So if you'd like to beat them in this aspect, this is a good way to go. With that being said, there are 2 other reasons why your competitors are beating you right now. And the next thing that I'd like to talk to you about is building your trust with Google. So in order to do that, your company website needs more citations. I'm going to come over here. I plugged in a keyword, tree removal, Bloomington, Indiana. This is how I found you. And with that being said, citations consist of the company's name, the address, the phone number, and the hours. So over here, this is known as the Google Map Pack, or Maps. And you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? How do I get from point A to all the way up to where my competitor's at? And that's by having more citations, building trust with Google. So in order to see what you have for citations and what your competitor has for citations, I use Whitespark. It's another resource that I use. I, on average, spend $30 to $70. You can select whichever plan if you want to do it yourself and go that route. But these are how many citations that your company has. It's 4. So we're going to check out what your competitor has, and they've got 36 altogether. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories, again, company name, address, phone number, hours, into directories such as, Yellow Book, White Book, Yet, City Star, so on and so on, even Facebook. These are areas where you can submit your citations. And as we can see, your competition, they have all of these citations. They're all laid out just for us to be, to submit these. So we can take these ourselves and use them. So the last important thing that I'd like to cover with you to really crush your competition is to build your website's strength and authority. And with that, that's with backlinks. So again, you can see you're all the way down here, right? And you want to get from all the way down there to all the way up here. Now, this is where you want to be. So backlinks, let me go back. This is very important in order for you to beat out your competition in every aspect. So backlinks, simply put, works like this. You take site A points to site B. Therefore, your site A is acting more like a backlink, which gives your site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The more backlinks you obtain, works a lot more effective if they're relevant sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a relative site linking to you, that would be more effective than, for example, Pizza Hut linking to you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. So I'm going to go ahead back up to Avery's. Again, we see your key content, keyword content. Again, Avery's is $99 a month that I spend, and it's great for checking out backlinks that sites offer. So let's go ahead and check out what your company's site is using for backlinks. And here you have a total of 629 links pointing to your site. So this is a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead over to your competitions. So here we can see our competitors' backlinks. They've got 5,824 backlinks. So again, this is very beatable with time. Looking down below, we can see that these guys have these types of links. And these are the type of links that you can go after yourself too. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Your citations, you want to have at least 300, 400 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. We also went over backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you have the authority. You are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering right now, what now? Well, you can either go with all this information that I provided with you today and do it yourself. Totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call. My phone number is 812-675-4886. Once again, my name is Quinn, and my phone number is 812-675-4886. I look forward to hearing from you.